Hey everyone, Lindsey here, back with another episode of Weekly Whimsy. This is where we discover the latest and greatest in Web3. I'm so excited you're here, let's jump in. First up, a big shout out to our 3 new Discord members, making our total a fantastic 3,789 members. Moving on to Powered by Pinata, let's talk about Mask.io. Mask Network is breaking down barriers, connecting the familiar world of Web 2.0 to the revolutionary Web 3.0. Imagine enjoying decentralized social messaging, payments, and file sharing seamlessly within mainstream social networks. Mask Network champions the idea that people should truly own what they produce, from their data to their digital footprint. They're not just innovators, they're inviting us all to take part in a movement to reclaim personal data control. Looking ahead, mark your calendars for the Paris Blockchain Summit on November 25th, 2023. Witness the blockchain industry's explosion in France. As we see the market grow exponentially, the summit emerges as an essential hub for networking, innovation showcases, and in-depth Web3 workshops. It's a rendezvous for the international community in the elegant city of Paris. Moving into Web3 news, let's talk about Fabric. They're simplifying crowdfunding on-chain, making it accessible for anyone, anywhere. Their latest subscription token protocol extends the ERC 721 NFT standard, adding a time element and economic incentives. It's a groundbreaking approach to generating recurring revenue for creators and offering straightforward access for users. Now for a bit of tech wisdom. Ever thought about adding a custom domain to your IPFS dedicated gateway? Personalizing your gateway can make a world of a difference for your brand's visibility. And guess what? I've put together a step-by-step guide on how to do just that with Pinata. And there we have it, another episode of Weekly Whimsy has wrapped up. If you found any of this content valuable, be sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below and join our community. Until next time, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye guys!